Alright, so I'm by the burial mound now. It's on the top of this hill. The top of the mound was already flattened a while ago, but it got much worse during World War II. German troops dug trenches in the burial mound, which basically destroyed it completely. I guess to the point where most people today are completely unaware that this is actually a burial mound. You can kind of get an idea of how it would look like from this, and some more destruction from the trenches. One thing I've noticed though is that there is a huge amount of flint on the surface here. A lot of these pieces of flint are remains from the production of the stone tools. They're usually much easier to spot when it's been raining. So I'm gonna teach you a little bit about how we can identify these pieces. They are usually shiny like this one. You can kind of tell from the bulge up there, from this. I have a few pieces back home as well, and I want to show you those in a moment.